Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on your Kohls account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kohls.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kohls website. Now you will find the sign in button at the top right corner, so go ahead and click on it and this will take you into the login portal. Now you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click on continue and you will be asked to enter your password. Now click on the reset option underneath the sign in button where it says forgot your password. Once you click on this, just verify your identity and then click on yes reset my password. You will now be asked to check your inbox. So just log into the email address associated with your account and you will find the reset my password link. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new password. Just type in your new password that you wish to set within your account and then click on the reset password button. Once you click on this, your password will successfully be reset and now you can use this new password along with your original email address to log back into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Kohls account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.